I just shut this off. I just shut this camera off a minute ago. I was climbing up that gully right there. Look at this road. I never seen this when I came through last time. The thing is, last time I came through further down, I think. But look at this road right on the side of this hill. See it? An old road. Because the river's behind me. They must have used this to get back and forth to the river to get their stuff off the barge or the boats or whatever. Because this is a really old area. But I never seen this. This must wind right around there or something. Yeah, it goes right out through. I'll turn on my detector just in case I get a hit. Yeah, I think it's quite steep. Kind of want to get to my spot, but see, they couldn't come straight up and down with husses. I'm guessing that's what they did. Some kind of a road so they could weasel around some of these gullies. Huh. Well, that's cool. Well, we're gonna get down there. I think this is where that turns into like a creek. So I'm gonna get down here. Maybe this road came up through and went right down there, right down to the river. And that's where I found that British halfpenny, whatever it is. Yeah, so, okay, I'll turn this on when I get there.